Shine Armor sent me their plastic restorer product. Here's my first time using it. It's not exactly something I was looking for, so let's see if it's worth keeping on the shelf. Welcome to Dylan's Garage. Let's check it out. The first quarter-size smear of this stuff didn't do much on the first couple wipes, so I laid a good bead of it down right on this worn-out plastic step on the rear bumper of my 4Runner. I was disappointed when it darkened the plastic slightly, but didn't give the night and day result I hoped for. I actually almost stopped filming the video. But then I got curious about how it does on some other plastic trim, so this is where things get interesting. When I moved to the rear wiper assembly, it had a much greater effect, and quickly became clear that it affects different plastics very differently. I went from disappointed to pleased pretty quickly, and it became somewhat of a game to see where it works and where it doesn't. While it darkens some plastic more than others, I was pleasantly surprised to see it more greatly benefited every other spot I applied it compared to the rear bumper. Remember to wipe down the surface you plan to treat before using this stuff. Now this actually surprised me. I expected the cowl plastic to act similar to the rear bumper because it felt like a similar type of plastic, but it made it look completely new with just a few wipes. Worked great on the top of the wipers too. At this point I started having fun with it and applying it to other areas it wasn't exactly designed for, but still plastic, so what the heck. Even areas with fading clear coat and paint were improved. At the end of the day, if you want to keep your plastics looking fresh for a bottle that's under 20 bucks, I'd say like, subscribe, and give this stuff a try.